Hello, I am M. Yusuf D. Memon from Matiari. Dear students, in previous lecture, I taught you gender and its kinds. You learnt that gender is of four kinds: masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender, and neutral gender. You also learnt the definition of gender. In today's lecture, I am going to give you exercise. It is your work. You should solve the exercise. You should do the exercise by yourself. I have given you some words. You have to tell the gender of each word. This is the exercise. Now, question. Say whether the following words are masculine, feminine, common, or neutral gender and put them in their proper columns given below. What you have to do in this exercise is, first of all, you should tell the gender of each word, and then there are four columns given. You have to write each word in its proper column. Now let's see what are the words. Grandfather, daughter, baby, museum, broom, bull, mayor, liar, son, policeman, lady, actress, sister, emperor, waiter, president, and stick. These are the words. Now do this exercise by yourself. Take a notebook and a pen with you. Draw these columns in your notebook and place these words. Write these words in their proper columns. I wait some time for you. Please do this exercise by yourself. Have you done this exercise? I think you are doing well. Please hurry up. Do this exercise. Yes, I am sure you have done this exercise. Now, check your answer. Let me explain and check your answer whether you have done well or not. How many mistakes have you done? Check your answer. Grandfather. This word is for male person, so it is masculine. Daughter. This word is for female person, so it is feminine gender. Write it in this column. Baby. This word is for both masculine and feminine. Baby can be male or female, so it is common gender. Write it in this column. Museum. It is lifeless thing, so it will be neutral gender. Broom. It is also lifeless thing, so it will be neutral gender. Bull, it is male animal, so it is masculine gender, bull. Mare, this word is for female animal, so it is feminine, mare. Write it in this column. Liar, this word is for both male and female. Liar can be male, liar can be female, so it is common gender. Son, it is for male person, so it is masculine gender. Policeman, it is also for male person, so it is masculine gender. Lady, it is for female person, so it is a feminine gender. Actress, this word is also for female person, so it is feminine gender. Sister, it is also for female person, so it is feminine gender. Inferior, it is for both male or female, so it is common gender. Inferior, it is masculine gender, sorry. Waiter, it is also for both male and female. President, it is also for both male or female, so it is common gender. Stick, it is a lifeless thing, so it is neuter gender. Floor, it is also neuter gender. Washing machine, it is also neuter gender. Scientist, this word is used for both male and female, so it is common gender. Engineer, it is also for both male and female, so it is common gender. Reporter, it is also for both male or female, so it is common gender. Tiger, it is for male animal, so it is masculine gender. Duck, it is for female animal, so it is feminine gender. Please, once again, I tell you, please do this exercise by yourself and then check your answer. Thank you very much.